Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to do a tally job. First, clearly understand what you need to count, whether it's physical items or occurrences. Gather your essential tools, such as a reliable pen, a well-designed tally sheet, or a digital counting device. Define the exact boundaries of your counting area to ensure nothing is missed or double counted. Finally, establish a consistent and clear method for marking each item as you count it, preventing errors. When performing the actual tally, employ efficient counting techniques. Move systematically through your designated area, perhaps from left to right or top to bottom, to ensure comprehensive coverage. Utilize a clear marking system, such as grouping tallies in sets of 5, which significantly simplifies the final summation. Maintain sharp focus on each item you count, actively minimizing any potential distractions. Prioritize accuracy by working at a steady, deliberate pace rather than rushing through the task. Accurate data recording is crucial for a successful tally job. As you count, immediately record each tally mark or numerical value onto your designated sheet or device. Ensure that your handwriting is clear and legible, or that your digital entries are correctly formatted so others can easily interpret the data. Make a point to note any unusual observations or unexpected discrepancies you encounter during the counting process. Always keep your physical tally sheets or digital records organized and secure until the job is complete. The final step involves verifying your results and preparing a clear report. Conduct a thorough double-check of all your recorded tally marks, perhaps even recounting a small section to confirm consistency. Recalculate all totals to ensure the accuracy of your initial summations, catching any arithmetic errors. Compare your final figures with any previous tallies or expected numbers to identify significant variances. Finally, present your comprehensive tally report clearly and concisely to all relevant stakeholders, highlighting key findings.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.